It is 12 o'clock Barcelona time and 7 o'clock p.m. Beijing time. Welcome to China Unicom 5G Private Network Plus Achievements Release at MWC. With the advancement of the new round of scientific and technological revolutions and industrial revolutions, 5G has become a key new infrastructure to support the digitalization, networking, and intelligent transformation of the economy and society. China Unicom conscientiously implements the requirements of national policies, strengthens the basic foundation, keeps the integrity, and innovates and integrates and opens up. At the 2021 Partner Conference, it launched the 5G Network Plus for the first time, actively promoting 5G to enable various industries. Today, China Unicom and industry partners announced the phased achievements of the 5G Private Network Plus to build a win-win industry ecosystem and accelerate high-quality social and economic development. First of all, it is our pleasure to invite Liang Baojun, Senior Vice President of China Unicom Group, and Si Han, Head of Greater China GSMA, to deliver the opening speeches for China Unicom 5G Private Network Plus Achievement Release. Distinguished friends, guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. The wind of 5G is positive, and it is time to sail. I'm very glad to be here with you at Mobile World Congress 2022 in Barcelona to share the new direction of 5G industry development and start a new journey of digital economy prosperity. First of all, on behalf of China Unicom, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to the arrival of new and old friends. I'd like to express my heartfelt thanks to all concerned and support to give China Unicom for a long time. General Secretary Xi Jinping attaches great importance to the development of digital economy, emphasizing that it is necessary to accelerate the construction of a comprehensive, intelligent digital information infrastructure that is ubiquitous, high-speed, integrated with the world, cloud network synergy, intelligent, agile, green, low-carbon, safe, and controllable. As a key force of digital information infrastructure, 5G breaks through the time-space constraints of connectivity and helps bridge the information artery of economic and social development. China Unicom aims at a goal of being the national team for digital infrastructure operation and service, the main force for building a digital smart society, and the leading force for digital technology convergence and innovation, and upgrades the new strategy of strong foundation, solid engine, innovation, and convergence and openness. Deploys strategic services of big connection, big computing, big data, big application, and big security. Focusing on a new positioning and a new strategy, we have carried out the action plan for China Unicom's 5G applications 2022 to 2025 and carried out 5 special actions to build strong foundation and promote development. We will accelerate the transformation of 5G applications from showcase into actual results and enable transformation and upgrade in fields such as information consumption, vertical industries, and social livelihood. We've always been driven by both market and innovation. We've built over 300 5G lighthouse projects, 800 5G virtual private network projects, and 4,000 5G commercial industry projects based on customers' pain points such as quality, cost, efficiency, environmental protection, and safety, covering more than 20 industries including steel, mining, electric power, education, culture, tourism, and healthcare. As we all know, 5G private networks have become a new engine for vertical industries to promote 5G innovation and application, expand production efficiency, and speed up digital transformation. China Unicom and its partners continuously innovate to build differentiated network capabilities, expand industry scenario-based applications, and improve end-to-end operation service processes, accelerating the 5G industry's dedicated private network enablement for various industries. In December 2021, China Unicom released the 5G Industry-Specific Network Product System 2.0, i.e. 5G Private Network Plus, at the Global Partner Conference, which enabled network, industry, and service development. Based on the 5G C2B three-dimensional network architecture of one cloud and one network distributed and the 5G private network operation platform, the 5G private network plus not only leverages telecom carriers' CT advantages but also injects agility of IT, enabling internet-based operation of 5G private networks to implement one-click subscription, one-click provisioning, and one-stop service. In January 2022, China Unicom released the 5G Private Network Plus series of achievements, China Unicom 5G e-government technical white paper, and China Unicom 5G Campus Private Network Application White Paper at the ICT Trend Annual Conference. In one private network scenarios, the capability of roaming, among others, are enhanced, and the 5G private network is promoted in large-scale application in one scenario such as government and education. Today, on the occasion of MWC 2022, China Unicom hosts the 5G Private Network Plus series launch with partners such as GSMA, Huawei, Chang'an Automobile, and the Media Group to share with the industry the latest progress of private network of 5G to enable the digital transformation of the industry. In the local network private scenario, Huawei launches capabilities such as 5G private network edge interconnection and campus high reliability for enterprise core production systems, helping 5G applications extend from peripheral to core production. Time and tide wait for no one. China Unicom will work with ecosystem partners to promote the integration of 5G into various industries and create a new chapter in digital economic development. Finally, I'd like to thank you again for your attendance and wish this conference a complete success. Thank you. Dear Mr. Liang, ladies and gentlemen, at the World Mobile Congress held in Barcelona, many industries is reunited to discuss the future. I'm honored to be invited to attend the release conference of China Unicom 5G Private Network Plus series achievements. In the past year, 5G has been developing rapidly around the world. By the end of December 2021, 184 operators around the world have launched commercial 5G networks, and the number of 5G connections worldwide has reached 636 million. China is the world's most advanced country in terms of 5G network deployment, user growth, terminal shipment, and application implementation. Currently, the number of 5G connections in China exceeds three-fourths of the world's total. Penetration rate of 5G ranks top in the world. Industry has reached a consensus on the historical mission of 5G, that is to enable thousands of industries and promote digital transformation of all industries. 5G to be better success is the main battlefield for fully demonstrating the value of 5G. 2021 is the first year of 5G to be commercial use and the start of large-scale development. How to transform 5G to be from 1 to N and achieve large-scale development has always been the core concern of the industry. Large-scale 5G to be development is the only way to 5G to be success. It is also the only way for 5G to find new business models. Why is 5G private network critical to 5G to be development? As a new type of infrastructure, 5G requires a high level of security. The global pandemic has accelerated the digital transformation of enterprises. Enterprises must adapt to the new normal to explore business continuity. Globally, enterprises' requirements for carrier services are increasing, and security requirements rank first. More and more enterprises choose to deploy physical or virtual private networks to meet their security requirements, making the development of 5G private networks better. For vertical industry enterprises, even if they want to deploy physical private networks to cooperate with carriers, it is still the best option. Operators have good track record in business reputation and responsibility fulfillment, and have rich experience in network planning, deployment, and construction. They have unique advantages in the integration and interconnection of public and the private networks. They have large-scale advantages in device ecosystem upgrade services and strong capabilities in on-premise customer service support. Currently, even if international industry giants have obtained dedicated spectrum in a few specific scenarios, most of them still choose to cooperate with operators to build their own 5G private networks. As a world-leading mobile communications operator, China Unicom actively implements the 5G application scaling action plan and promotes 5G 2B, continuously build new capabilities of 5G private networks to accelerate the large-scale development of 5G applications. Many excellent cases of China Unicom, such as Pangpang, Ta, Coal Mine Media Group, Ma Anshan Iron and Steel, are included in the GSMA China 5G Vertical Industry Application Use Case Report. In December 2021, China Unicom released the 5G Private Network Product Series 2.0, that is 5G Private Network Plus, to comprehensively upgrade 5G private network products and services. It provides a new base and engine for the vigorous development of 5G to B services. GSMA is promoting the application of 5G in cities, using new infrastructure to drive new city construction, improving the digital level of cities, and exploring the application of 5G in fields such as transportation, emergency, public security, ecological, environment, livelihood services, and digital government. Promote the digital, network, and intelligent transformation of cities. Build a secure, livable, efficient, intelligent, and green 5G city. 5G City is expected to become an important breakthrough for the large-scale development of 5G 2B applications. In the 5G Private Network Plus product system, attributes and capabilities such as WAN roaming, convergent positioning, high reliability, customization, and security play an important role in realizing the 5G City vision. We look forward to closer cooperation with China Unicom on the 5G City project in the future. Finally, I wish China Unicom a complete success in the launch of the 5G Private Network Plus series products. Thank you. Thanks to Mr. Liang and Si Han. Just as Mr. Liang said, China Unicom will take the 5 strategic business layout as the direction and the 5G application as the guide, promote the integration of 5G into various industries, and create the digital economy development. And thank you, Si Han. Your wonderful speech has strengthened the confidence of the industry and encouraged 5G applications to develop on a larger scale. Next, Fan Jian, China Unicom Group Data Chief Scientist, will bring us the interpretation of China Unicom's 5G dedicated Private Network Plus product system and the release of the latest achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Fan Jian from China Unicom. Because of COVID-19, I regret that I cannot come to Barcelona to attend the MWC and communicate with you. Please allow me to share and communicate with you about the 5G Industry Network Plus, which helps the industry digital transformation. We know that in China, 5G licenses were issued to 4 operators on June 6, 2019. So far, China Unicom and China Telecom have built a 5G network together. By now, the 2 operators have built nearly 700,000 5G base stations, 30% of global 5G base stations. In 5G application, industry private network is a characteristic of China 5G network. By the end of 2021, we have built more than 800 5G private networks, built more than 300 5G benchmark lighthouse projects, and commercialized more than 4,000 projects. From the following figure, we can see that, for example, we have built a highly reliable network of 4 nines using the 5G private network in Yanjiahe Coal Mine in Shanxi Province. At Chang'an Automobile of Chongqing, we replaced industrial Ethernet with 5G. At GRI, Zhuhai, Guangdong, we fully leveraged 5G slicing technology and edge computing to build a complete set of smart factory solutions. In this Beijing Winter Olympic Games, Beijing Unicom made full use of the 5G dedicated private network slicing function and provided a high-quality 5G network in Beijing, Yanqing, and Zhangjiakou. At the same time, we provide 5G private network for government customers and university campuses. I'll give you more description on that later. In a chip manufacturing enterprise, Ferrotech in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, we realized the cross-province and cross-factory, cross-MEC switching and application migration. In Media Group of Guangdong, the intelligent warehousing service was provided by 5G high-precision positioning technology. Among these industry 5G private networks, one feature is that integration of network and cloud computing platform, especially the 5G edge computing platform MEC. So far, among the 800 private networks mentioned earlier, we have deployed more than 300 sets of 5G MEC platforms. I mentioned that after the Chinese government released the 5G license in June 2019, Chinese Unicom took the lead in launching the 5G Industry Private Network 1.0 in 2020. This version mainly focused on network services, especially private network services, and provided PNI and PN. The virtual private network provided by slicing technology was also guaranteed. In addition, for certain users, enterprise data was retained in the campus. In this way, hybrid private network was provided, i.e., some core network functions such as data distribution are provided, and MEC is down to the enterprise level campus. For leading enterprises, we also provided another form of 5G private network service. That is, we used the public network frequency and provided independent wireless private network, which is called independent private network. That was the 5G industry private network 1.0 launched in 2020. In December 2021, we further optimized the version 1.0. Based on the requirements of industry users, we provided the 2.0 version of the 5G private network, which is 5G Private Network Plus that we launched today. Compared with 1.0, what are the additional functions of the Private Network Plus? From this figure, we can see that in addition to the core of network services, we provide intelligent, general purpose or customized industry terminals. On the other hand, we centralize the functions of the core network, providing intensive operation, platform, and the core network management function for 5G private network customers. Such evolution offers three major leaps. The first is network leap, providing a stronger network. The second, industry leap, providing better understanding of the industry's performance and services. The third, service leap, providing better services. Please allow me to make further presentation on network, industry, and the service leaps. First of all, let's talk about network leap. The 5G private network architecture is based on distributed deployment of the 5G private network and the centralized deployment of the core network and operation platform. Under this centralized architecture, that is one network, one cloud, and N 5G access networks, what further optimizations have we done? First, we provide enhanced roaming in version 2.0, which is the application of the 5G private network provided for campus customers and government customers. What is enhanced roaming? We know that 5G private network is a regional campus level coverage, so its UPF function and MEC platform are deployed locally. However, for a user, especially in the post-pandemic era, it is aimed at some typical applications such as public mobile phones, Internet of Vehicles, and medical applications that need to be beyond the coverage of existing local campuses. If these 5G terminals are connected to the UPF of the public network does not know the UPF of the private network. One of the optimizations that we did was a VPN link established between the core network and the local UPF to ensure data security. Even if the user roams in a WAN, this user can return to the local UPF and MEC. This ensures random access, data security, reliability, and low latency. This is the first step of network optimization. The second is to further integrate the computing power and network at the local level for local 5G network, especially for different application scenarios such as mining, iron and steel, household appliances, and automobile industries. The new functions of computing and network integration include 5G LAN, 5G convergent positioning, high precision timing, and a 5G super uplink. Another is the openness of the interface protocol between UPF and MEC, so that some management functions can be directly opened to end users. Also, 5G network is increasingly applied to industrial control field, so the network deterministic time sensitivity requirements are increasing strongly. So we further integrated 5G with TSN. The third optimization is to enhance the reliability of the 5G network. For example, the mutual backup of AB websites, the dual link of the barrier network, the pooling of the network, or the dual fat and the selective receiving, high reliability MEC, and so on. With these enhanced functions and technologies, the network reliability can be improved from 3 nines, 4 nines to 5 nines based on the three types of products. In 1.0, there was virtual, shared, and dedicated model. We combined that with 300 scenarios of 20 industries and built baseline and streamlined functions to develop different network configuration versions. Modular deployment and promotion was realized. For example, in network slicing, customized network slicing based on different scenarios such as video surveillance, AI training, and VR live broadcast were realized. In remote consultation, remote demonstration, intelligent warehousing, and autonomous driving are other types of scenarios. We have three modular processing based on slicing. We call it economy class, business class, and first class slicing. Another aspect is the MEC. On the one hand, we can provide a shared MEC for the small and medium-sized enterprises industry cluster. In this case, the platform provides shared services in the form of multi-tenants. For large enterprises, such as large factories, mines, iron and steel, and ports, we provide dedicated MECs that integrate software and hardware. Integrated MECs can provide real-time and highly reliable cloud-based PLCs on site, just like the original industrial control machines. Third, we provide enhanced network site collaboration for industry customization. On the terminal, we build different modules and different PCBA through the 5G chip of the unveiling series. We did this to cater to the industry requirements. There are both general purpose and customized industry terminals. We also carried on to cater to industry needs such as explosion-proof, thermal insulation, and others. The third is the operational service level. I mentioned two biggest changes in 2.0 except for customization and terminal, and the other is the cloud and one network, which is 5G private network operation platform. I emphasize 3 points. The advantages of centralized operation. The first is one-point subscription. On centralized operation platform, we provide 5G application store and more, where enterprise users can subscribe to network services, terminal services, integration services, and application services. The second is one-click provisioning. We know that in the past, change in traffic, routing, and security of 5G private network were all made through carriers, which prolonged the change period. In version 2.0, we provide 5G private network operation self-service. Users can perform card number management, network slice management, and MEC application orchestration on the platform on their own. In this way, service provisioning is changed from monthly to days or even hours. The third change, one-stop service. In addition to the 5G private network operation platform, we provide visualized 5G private network manager tools. Users can use these visualized tools to customize value-added services, from consulting, planning, construction, maintenance, and optimization. We can develop our own customized applications. Over the past 3 years, we have evolved from the initial 5G network service to the end-to-end package of solutions. This represents a development trend of not only industry users, but also the entire application ecosystem. When we talk about end-to-end package solution, it will extend from network services and solutions to terminals, applications, platforms, and so on. Therefore, we call this application, terminal, platform, and operation an end-to-end solution for 5G private network. Apart from building these general purpose or industry-oriented terminals, one network, one cloud private network operation platform, and the cloud network integration computing platform, we invest a lot in developing various industry-oriented applications on this platform. The Chinese government has also launched the 5G Sale Action Plan, which divides 5G industry applications into three categories. The first is related to information consumption and upgrade, that is, individual users. The second category is the core of 5G applications and represents the deepening of industry applications. For example, manufacturing, smart power, mining, IoV, port, and logistics to build innovative 5G intelligent applications. The third type are closely related to government public services such as education, healthcare, and smart city. In this case, while building the 5G industry private network product system 2.0, we also help build industry-oriented applications to deeply integrate the two. For example, in the mining field, we combine different equipment of the mine, such as mining equipment, washing and selection equipment, and transportation equipment, and introduce 5G into the mine, which is a comprehensive service bearer network because we had communication network, IoT, video, positioning, and industrial control networks. The underground network communication architecture was complex. Therefore, after 5G networks come, we converge the 5G network with other networks to form an integrated multi-service bearer network. At the same time, on the basis of the network, we provide computing platform on which we aim at a typical two-phase and a nine-flow of coal mining, i.e. fully mechanized phase and excavation phase, logistics, power supply, water supply, drainage, ventilation, transportation, and etc., and digitally manage these applications on the platform. Therefore, while providing the 5G private network foundation, we focus on building 5G application solutions for China Unicom facing the 20 industries, ranging from mining, steel, home appliance manufacturing, automobile manufacturing, equipment manufacturing, as well as smart healthcare, education, culture, tourism, and sports, as well as smart cities. Allow me to review with you. After the release of 1.10, we reviewed some achievements on 5G private network. For example, we released white paper on campus 5G private network, and also enhanced roaming white paper on 5G private networks. And some typical innovative application scenarios. We work with partners like Huawei to jointly develop the world's first 5G innovation. For example, 5G high precision positioning is used to build intelligent storage and logistics solution in Media Group. In Ferrotech, a chip manufacturing company of Zhejiang, its factory distributed in Zhejiang and the Jiangsu provinces. We built 3 MEC platforms covering 5 factories in 2 provinces. Between these platforms, they are not silos. Data and applications are shared and backed up across provinces. The third example is Chang'an Automobile in Chongqing, where we use 5G LAN for the first time to replace existing optical-based industrial Ethernet. Before 5G LAN, 5G was a 3-layer network. To communicate with the internet at the bottom layer, we needed to reconfigure IP addresses and add various routing devices. The tunnel technology was used to establish the communication between layer 2 and 3. After 5G LAN come, we can directly replace the underlying Ethernet. These devices can directly connect to the 5G LAN, greatly simplifying the construction and operation costs of the layer 2 Ethernet. It also greatly improved performance and flexibility. In conclusion, we're looking forward to the 5G industry private network product system 2.0 that we share with you today and the applications in the 20 industries mentioned earlier to usher in a new digital economy. That's all for my sharing. Thank you.
Thanks to Mr. Fan for his wonderful speech. China Unicom's 5G private network plus provides innovative private network capabilities at scale. We believe that this solution can inject new impetus into high-quality enterprise development. Next, let's welcome Richard Liu, President of Huawei Cloud Core Network, to talk to us about how one telco cloud enables 5G private network plus as a service for China Unicom. Please welcome Mr. Liang and Ms. Han. Hello, everyone. I'm Richard Liu from Huawei. I'm very honored to participate in the launch of China Unicom's 5G private network plus achievements. On behalf of Huawei, I would like to congratulate China Unicom on its great achievements. These achievements have greatly contributed to the industry's confidence in the use of 5G network based on the telecom cloud architecture to support the application of private networks. Mr. Liang and Mr. Fan mentioned that the 5G dedicated network is based on the 5G C2B three-dimensional network architecture and centralized operation platform, which has become a new base for China Unicom to forge new capabilities. And these achievements have generated good feedback in the industry. The industry of one cloud is the best recognition of the 5G dedicated network. Everyone is very interested about how the 5G C2B network architecture supports 5G. Now, based on the real project practice, I will share with you how Huawei and China Unicom work together in providing the private network to enterprise customers, and how the 5G 2B One Cloud will help the industry realize its vision. First of all, I'd like to introduce the overall strategy of One Cloud. One Cloud is a three-dimensional network architecture jointly built by China Unicom and Huawei. It matches China Unicom's centralized and internet-based operations mode and realizes China Unicom's unique and differentiated advantages in the B2B market. It provides a one-stop subscription, provisioning, and services. And it has a fast speed of deployment and fast speed of provisioning and fast speed of deployment. Compared with 1 year of network construction time, China Unicom spent 5 months in completing the network construction in 8 provinces. And also, network provisioning is quicker compared with the long process with trials and approval and production deployment. China Unicom shortened the lead time. And last but not least, faster innovation compared with innovation in lab and then trials and then customer development. Huawei worked with China Unicom and based on the innovation lab and the partnership, we have integrated the process of innovation and commercialization so we can replicate the success across China. Huawei helped the China Unicom in providing the three-dimensional network and systematically solve the all kinds of challenges faced by the enterprises in building private network. And we've seen that China Unicom's cloud have a big advantage, and faster service provisioning and operation is a unique advantage. And recently, for the education industry, the free mobility solution was provided, and customers can enjoy VPN anytime, anywhere, and this case can be replicated across China. So different technology of the network caused a long deployment lead time is no longer an issue, and also in the local private network, we build a three-dimensional disaster recovery mechanism, improving the reliability and reducing the cost based on the high reliability cloud architecture. This is the unique advantage of the private network. And we continue to provide high reliability, ease of operation, industrial grade reliability to suit the needs of the industrial customers. And also, in order to serve the scenario-based needs of our customers, Huawei and China Unicom work together in incubating the baseline solution. And also through the templates and scripts, we support fast service provisioning, make the services usable and user-friendly, serving different industries. So the China Unicom's private network is more and more liked by the customers, and we work on the network in the full life cycle management and the edge service deployment at scale. And this shows the advantage of China Unicom's network. And the one cloud architecture is also open. We learn from the internet service providers practice in designing the cloud architecture, and in terms of O&M platform, we also help China Unicom in providing the product and offering management system to cover the entire process of managing the products. The MEC can be provisioned in minutes, and the slices can be provisioned in days. And for the core network deployment in the big regions, the 8 big cores are completed, and disaster recovery preparation was made. And we also built a 5G Innovation Center to support the network element upgrade in hours. And also we help customer to win more market share by our MEC offering, and we offer products to meet different requirements through the synergy between networking and compute. We promote high reliability networking and industrial vision, behavior detection, and AI-enabled education. Reliability, agility, innovation, scalability are the features of the 5G private network plus. In terms of network capability commercialization, based on the 5G One Cloud, we have agile innovation, and thus resulting in a prosperous 2B business in China. And we build a private network for the Fudan University, so the users can access the internet anytime and anywhere without VPN. In Zhejiang, Ferrotech, the innovative applications were quickly replicated in 5 factories in 2 provinces. And in the HIK robot factory, and in the Liaoning BMW and media production line, the 5G meter level high precision positioning capability was put into use. In the Chang'an automobile factory in Chongqing, the 5G industrial edge switching capability was used to create a ubiquitous industrial network in the Yanjiahe coal mine. The disaster recovery collaboration between the core network and enterprise campus ensured continuous network services. And all these users have recognized the capability of the 5G private network plus solution. In the future, China Unicom and Huawei will continue to innovate and improve the services to 5G 2B solutions. And we set up the 5G Innovation Center to incubate capabilities and accelerate the technology transfer. And we piloted the 5G automatic upgrade in Guangdong Unicom, greatly reducing the upgrade risk and improving the upgrade efficiency and to match the needs of enterprise customers. 5G private network innovation enters the challenging stage. After innovation incubation, we must build the planning, deployment, operations, and maintenance capabilities. Different customers have a different network architecture and needs. So this project may result in high complexity and high manpower need. These are the problems faced in frontline delivery projects. So internet-based agile operations is the key to the 5G to be private network. Huawei worked with China Unicom in accumulating expertise in the various industries and building benchmark solutions so that we can provide a one-stop subscription and service and provisioning capability, helping China Unicom to get success in the 2B market. Last but not least, in order to continue to build a differentiation of China Unicom One Cloud, we need to lead in the 3GPP standards and to continue to improve the connectivity capability and the value of connectivity in terms of a private network. We need to increase the level of security and also improve the mobility experience in the private network for campuses. We need to have a carrier-grade reliability and also have the real-time monitoring and a one-click restoration of services. We need to have backup uplink, high stability, and other enhancement to help industry customers to solve practical issues. For the industry private network, Huawei helped China Unicom to build a 5G private network plus solution based on telecom cloud for industry. This solution provides capability of high stability. Lighting up the future, Huawei and China Unicom will make it. This is my sharing today. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you, Richard. We believe that China Unicom will continue to improve its overall competitiveness in efficient operations and rapid innovation based on the one cloud solution and distributed network architecture. At 2021 China Unicom Partner Conference, we witnessed the launch of China Unicom's 5G Private Network Plus, which extended its capabilities in networks, industry solution, and services. Over the last year, China Unicom, together with Huawei and industry partners, has made many achievements. And in the media's factory in Foshan, we achieved the industry's first 1-meter precision positioning. In the Ferrotech, we deployed the first cross-domain multi-factory network featuring 5G MEC. And in the Chang'an Automobile Factory in Chongqing, we built the first 5G land-based flexible production line. Let's review these achievements via a short clip.
In the 5G full connection, media, China Unicom, and Huawei have narrowed down the indoor positioning accuracy to 1 meter. 5G private network is now provided as a service. We will collaborate more on it to replicate the 5G smart warehousing application into our other campuses across the country. By leveraging one telco cloud for 5G PNI NPN, China Unicom and Huawei helped us deploy a unified network for 6 campuses in different regions. In this way, we can promptly replicate services from one campus to another. Moreover, an MEC node can be deployed within only 1.5 hours. In the 5G full connection factory project, we collaborated with China Unicom, Huawei, and Almia Walker. They launched the 5G LAN for our campuses by leveraging the advantages of one telco cloud for 5G PNI and PN. Our devices now can be put into use quickly after production line adjustments.
So today, China Unicom works with Huawei and other partners to present to you the 5G private network plus achievements. In the Zhejiang HIK robot, we first have the 5G LAN multi-AGV collaboration case in the Yanjiahe mine in Shanxi province. We work together to ensure the commercialization of high reliability network and supporting the big network segment network. And also we have the economy class, business class, and first class MPN solution. that has agility and flexible charging and other advantages. And let's watch a short clip to learn about these achievements. AGV is short for automated guided vehicle. It is small, secure, easy to install, and highly automated. It has a wide application prospect. It is not only limited to the transportation, but electronics and more. In actual applications, however, for example, one AGV cannot do much, and usually multiple AGVs need to work together. To implement multi-AGV collaboration, a deterministic and highly reliable simplified network is needed with low latency and high stability. As we know, compared with Wi-Fi, 5G features low latency, high bandwidth reliability, and massive connections. However, in actual deployment, operator networks and enterprise intranets may be coupled to enable AGVs to communicate with each other. A large number of 5G terminals need to be configured. AGVs need to be developed and adapted more. Deploying the solution is difficult and adjustment period is long. The advent of 5G LAN brings 5G closer to industrial field networks. Last year, China Unicom Zhejiang, together with Huawei and HIK Robot, tested 5G LAN-based multi-AGV collaboration for the first time in China in the Innovation Lab in Zhejiang. 5G LAN is like the 5G high-speed WLAN in a workshop. Operator networks are completely decoupled from enterprise networks. The communication between AGVs and servers doesn't require any internal configuration or AR routing. Enterprise can deploy and connect the device in a plug-and-play manner, reducing the cost. In simplified 5G LAN network, AGVs can easily communicate with each other without any modification. The maximum number of paired AGVs can be risen from 64 to unlimited. Dynamic scheduling and dual fed and selective receiving can effectively reduce latency, improving latency stability. Pairing of AGVs reduced from 5 seconds to less than 1 second. According to the test results, multi-AGV collaboration can be achieved with 5G LAN networking. The latency stability improved to 99.999%. And a threefold improvement in overall efficiency. 5G LAN is the simplified convergence of 5G technologies and industrial communications. It simplifies the traditional 5G networking, replaces multiple networks with just one, significantly reducing cost and a network construction time for enterprises. LAN construction with 5G LAN will become the basic requirement for building a mobile industrial internet in the future, a key factor for enterprise to build smart factories and implement flexible production. 5G LAN is one of China Unicom's achievements from 5G private network plus solution. 5G LAN supports the service stability, end-to-end networking, and deterministic networking in power grid differential protection and industrial PLC and other domains enjoy a big potential. Based on 5G LAN capability of China Unicom's 5G private network plus a national 5G campus network can be built, divided into multiple VLANs as required. It helps realize unified management and interconnection of multiple campuses. Shanxi Xiangning Coal Group is one of the top 100 coal enterprises in China. Its subsidiary Yanjiahe Coal Mine is located in Xiangning County, Shanxi Province, with rich coal resource. The yearly new yield is 600,000 tons. The group adheres to the concept of people-oriented green and technological development, and proactively leverages cutting-edge technologies like 5G to build smart coal mines, facilitating sustainable development of the coal mining industry. The working environment in Yanjiahe Coal is challenging. Working underground used to be very difficult. Explosions, gas poisoning, and extreme heat and humidity are the problems. In addition, it is essential to recruit the workers, which can become a problem. To address these challenges, Yanjiahe Coal Mine has worked with China Unicom and Huawei to promote the digitalization of coal mining industry. And the industry's first high reliability private network is put into use. The network used 5G in all the processes of coal mining. With 5G empowered video content analysis, all the personnel and devices underground can be monitored efficiently. 5G also helps automate the inspection underground. Each inspection now can be completed with just a few seconds. And 5G enables remote control of shearers, keeping every worker away from dangers and injuries. In addition, 5G enables trunk resources to be effectively scheduled to support smooth underground communications. As 5G is comprehensively utilized in key production subsystems, production data security assurance, production safety and continuity, as well as integration of 5G and subsystems have become key concerns and challenges for 5G network construction. 5G high reliability private network is based on 5G to be one cloud and distributed network of China Unicom. 5G MEC and 5GC emergency control plane are deployed at the coal mine. If the local forwarding plane fails to communicate with 5GC, the emergency 5G control plane can take over services, ensuring that the key production systems of the coal mine are operational. The commercial use of the 5G high reliability private network indicates that China Unicom's 5G private network plus is maturing, helping the coal mining industry in its digital journey and takes the digital transformation of coal mining to the next level. "5G will usher in an intelligent, fully connected world. As a key 5G technology, network slicing is accelerating the digital transformation of various industries. China Unicom's 5G network slicing products can be used to configure the RAN, the bearer, and the core, delivering services required by customers. These products can provide network services for which resources can be securely isolated and functions can be customized for different customers so users can enjoy deterministic, high quality, and differentiated experiences. Economy class network slicing ensures video-based services and video content analysis, live broadcasting, and online education network have higher network priorities than other users. Business class use slicing provides a required bandwidth and low latency for gaming, V2X automated power distribution, and remote control. Business class E network slicing provides highly stable bandwidth for video transmission during land-based large-scale live broadcasting, important expositions, and medical application. First class slicing is oriented to industries for which the services are complex, such as mining and ports. With the RB reservation, services can be securely isolated and guaranteed. China Unicom's 5G network slicing products have 4 advantages: agility, customization, flexible charging, and smart operations. China Unicom's 5G slicing operations platform can translate service requirements into network templates, and network resources can be quickly provisioned. Services can be provisioned with one click and guaranteed with one-stop support, allowing user to customize network capabilities such as latency, mobility, availability, reliability, and the data rate. The network slicing services can be flexibly changed based on the different needs of customers and different downlink and uplink requirements, and network slice chargings. API self-services functions are provided to users. User-level slicing services are visible, manageable, and controllable. China Unicom, together with Gree and Huawei, enable the intelligent quality inspection and cloud-based AGVs in the appliance manufacturing field. With the business class network slicing, China Unicom helped China Media Group live broadcast major events with 4K HD videos. In addition, by utilizing the economy class network slicing, China Unicom deployed a low latency, high speed network for more than 7,000 check sites and 5,000 terminals in Tianjin to defend against the pandemic. The official release of China Unicom's 5G private network plus will promote 5G applications and inject new impetus to the development of a digital economy. Next, we will unveil the China Unicom 5G Private Network Plus achievements, and we will have the leaders to unveil these achievements. And the leaders are Mr. Liang Baojun, Senior VP of China Telecom Group, Ms. Sihan Bo-chen, Head of Greater China GSMA, Mr. Miao Shouye, Director of 5G Infrastructure Sharing Work Group China Unicom, Mr. Fan Jian, Chief Big Data Scientist at China Unicom Group, Mr. Richard Liu, President of Huawei Cloud Core Network Product Line, Mr. Zhao Weidong, General Manager of Media Foshan Factory, Mr. Feng Libo, VP of HIK Robot, Mr. Wang Yingchen, Director of Smart Manufacturing Center at Ferrotech. Please raise your hand and unveil 5G Private Network Plus. And we also wish that the digital transformation projects can be widely conducted around the world with solutions such as 5G Private Network Plus.
5G 专网引领数据产业新时代，热烈祝贺5G 专网 Plus 系列产品发布。
感谢大家的观看。
Thank you for listening. This is the end of the event.